Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Anasita karma phalam tajam karma karoti sasanya. Anasita karma, everyone is expecting some good result for his sense gratification. That is asrita karma phalam. He is taking the shelter of good result. But one who does not take shelter of the result of activities, it is my duty, karjam. Karjam means it is my duty. It doesn't matter what is the result. I must do it sincerely, to my best capacity. Then I don't care for the result. Result is in Krishna's hand. Karjam, it is my duty. My Guru Maharaj has said it, so it is my duty. It doesn't matter whether it is successful or not successful. That depends on Krishna. In this way, anyone, if he work, then he is a sannyasi. Not the dress, but the attitude of working. That is sannyasi. Karjam, it is my duty. Ka sannyasi, yogi. He is yogi, first class yogi. Just like Arjuna. Arjuna official, he did not take sannyas, he was a grihastha, soldier. But when he took it very seriously, karjam, Krishna wants this fight. Never mind, I have to kill my relatives. I must do it. That is sannyas. First of all, he argued with Krishna that this kind of fighting is not good, family killing, and so on, so on, so on, he argued. But after hearing Bhagavad Gita, when he understood that it is my duty, Krishna wants me to do it, karjam. So in spite of his becoming a householder, a soldier, he is a sannyasi. He took it, karjam. Karjam means it is my duty. That is real sannyas. Krishna wants that this Krishna consciousness movement must be spread. So this is my karjam. This is my duty. And the direction is my spiritual master. So I must do it. This is sannyas. This is sannyas. Sannyas mentality. But there is formality that may be accepted.
There are some psychological effects.
In India especially, people like sannyasi may be preached. Otherwise the formula of sannyasi is given, karjam. But this is my only duty. That's all. Krishna consciousness movement should be pushed. This is my only duty. He is sannyasi. Because Krishna personally comes, he demands, Sarvadharman Parityamam ekam sarvam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, he says, Jai Krishna Tattva-vetta Sai Guru. Anyone who knows the science of Krishna is Guru. And what is the Guru's business? Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna mundhe. Whomever you meet, you just try to impress upon him about the instruction of Krishna. Sarvadharman Parityamam. So in this way, if we take it up very seriously, this is my duty, then you are Sasannyas. Krishna certifies Sasannyas. People are not taking seriously about Krishna's teaching. That is India's misfortune. They are bringing so many competition of Krishna. Is Krishna, Ramakrishna is as good as Krishna. These rascals have skilled. They have done the greatest disservice. Instead of Krishna, they have brought one rascal, Ramakrishna.
They have big math in Bhubaneswar.
Huh?
In Bhubaneswar, they have big Ramakrishna math. Vivekananda school, library, so much land, everything. Very organized.
So we can do that. You have to convince people. There is no question of making competition with them. But you can preach your own philosophy.
We have argument with the people in Odisha. Try to convince them, no, that is false and this is the way.
No, their Ramakrishna mission, the allurement is that Daridra Narayan Seva and hospital. That is their only idea. They have no philosophy. Nobody attracted by their philosophy. And what philosophy they have? Never mind, we are not concerned with them.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.